Okay, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a wire tucking because my wire is getting shaved off and I have been telling myself I'm gonna do it and I haven't done it. I should have done it a long time ago, but I'm doing it. So yeah, let's get right in. As you can see, it's pretty bad. Like some of the wires, it's showing wires and I need to fix this obviously. So I'm actually gonna one by one sealing each wire before I put everything back. So I just taped it all around the places that were damaged. It should be fine. Before I do anything, I want to check if all my lights and stuff works because these wires affects your lights and stuff like that. So I want to see if it still works. Now I'm gonna put this cover on, wrap it, and then route it above it, and then I'm gonna probably like drill a hole here and there to attach this thing somewhere. And yeah, I don't know, I need to figure it out real quick, but I will do that quickly and probably explain to you guys how I did it. Alright, so because I grind it here, I need to make sure that, you know, it's not sharp or anyway, I'm going to paint it over with some black paint to make sure it's not gonna rust. Do it. 10-15 minutes. I ended up taking off this plastic thing because it was in the way and it wasn't allowing the fender to go flush, so I took it off. Hopefully this will allow the fender to go in. Alright, I skipped a lot of steps, but it is done. So everything is tucked. Nothing is in the way. So this means that I don't think I'll be rubbing anymore, which is great. I've also did the other side. So you're not gonna see any wires. The passenger side, actually there was a fuel line going through, so I had to be kind of careful and trying not to pressurize them, you know, because the wire's gonna go through and it actually goes over the fuel line. So when you're putting the wiring over, it actually crosses it with the fuel line, but you just have to make sure that you wouldn't, you know, press the harness against it. But yeah, we're gonna go for a little drive right now because I need to make sure that everything works and, you know, it's not rubbing or anything. So let's go. Okay guys, so I feel so embarrassed to be filming in public. You guys have no idea. But you know what? I'm just gonna pretend like no one's around me. Anyway, I drove it. It was great. Didn't rub. I'm happy with it. Well, yeah, that's it. I know it was a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to go lower because now that I did that, which I should have been doing it when I first got the car, but I didn't because I don't know, I'm an idiot. Anyway, that's it for today's video. You know the drill. Follow all my social media, give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and I hope to see you guys on our next video. Peace out.